10 lines on Masjid Al AQSA. Masjid Al AQSA is the first Qibla of the Muslims. Masjid Al AQSA is also known as Baitul Muqaddas, which means the sacred place. It is situated in the city of Jerusalem, Palestine. Palestine is also known as the land of prophets. Masjid Al Aqsa is the third holiest site for Muslims. It was the destination of our Prophet, peace be upon him, Isra, and the starting point of his, peace be upon him, Miraj. Masjid Al Aqsa is the second and only mosque mentioned by name in the Holy Quran. Many prophets and companions are buried in Masjid Al Aqsa. When someone offers a prayer in Masjid Al Aqsa, they receive a reward equal to 500 prayers. Allah Himself declared Masjid Al Aqsa as a blessed place.